Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe below, and if you do enjoy videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so today I thought I would go over my must-haves, like products, beauty products, like must-have it. No other name brand is gonna replace it. I have to have these items all the time. Now I'm not showing you everything I use because I will use different things like shampoo. I'm not really a big, I don't like have to always have a certain shampoo. I don't really have a favorite at all. I don't shampoo every day my hair. I shampoo literally like once every couple of weeks because I have dry, curly, coarse hair. So for me that just works. So I'm not really particular about my shampoo at all, but let's just like get right into this. That's just like an example of, so you might be like, oh, she doesn't use eye cream, but like, I'll explain as I go along. Okay, so I figured I would start off like as I wake up until I go to bed, and all my must-have beauty products that I can't live without, and I've tried other ones and nothing compares, and these are just my favorite. So let's get to it. Okay, item number one, we wake up, what's the first thing we do? We brush our teeth. I use this Colgate Optic White toothpaste all the time. That's all I'll buy. Although I have to admit, I'm looking right now and I'm like, Renewal might be a little different, I have to admit. But I do buy like High Impact White. I buy whatever the whitest Colgate toothpaste, Optic White, that they have, because I'm telling you, this stuff really works. It really does brighten my smile. I really do, and I feel like if you keep brushing a little extra, then they kind of give you like, you know, brighten your choppers a little bit. I've tried other ones, and at the end of the day, this one to me works the best. So this is all I get. This is the only toothpaste that I will buy. Okay, after I brush my teeth, I wash my face. Now, I don't have to take any makeup off because I did that before I went to bed, and I just put a bunch of creams on. But you know, I like to just, some people I don't think use soap in the morning. I do. I just like to feel refreshed, you know, maybe if I'm sweating a little, or just like the cream is still on my face, maybe deep in, hopefully, from the night before, but I just still like to go in and just do a quick little cleanse. So I do use this Olay Cleanse Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I've tried other ones. They're good, they're fine, but honestly, I go back to this, and it's pretty inexpensive, and I like it. So I do use that every morning, and I feel like that's, for years, it's just the one that I've tried other ones, and I always go back to that. So another must-have. Okay, so I think it depends on the day. Sometimes I don't shower right away. If it's when I was going to the office, first thing I did was get up and shower. But so it's kind of in an order, but kind of not. So I'm just gonna go right to the shower. So when I go in the shower, first thing I do is rinse my hair under the water to get any product out that I might have had from the day before, especially if it's not a shampoo day. So I really like rinse that out. Then when I'm done rinsing, I go in with my conditioner. Conditioner I use every day. Every single day I need conditioner. And of course I've tried other ones. I've tried a bunch, but I do have a favorite that I always like to keep on hand. I love it. There are times though that I do try other ones, but at the end of the day, I always have this in my shower. And this is OGX Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. Any of the OGX conditioners I really, really do like, but I have to say, this one in particular, I don't know why, for some reason, it just makes my hair feel really good. Love the smell. I think it's mostly because of the smell, but I don't know, this, out of all the conditioners I have tried for my hair, and my channel is mostly about my hair, that is definitely my favorite by far. I love that, so I always do have that on hand. Yes, and I'll just stick to the hair since I'm here. I don't use these products every day at all, but I like to know that I have them because I do highlight and color my own hair, and sometimes it starts to get a little brassy looking, and I hate that. So I always had like a purple. Now you can get purple conditioners. I thought it was just shampoos, but there's purple conditioner, and then I have a blue conditioner because I don't know which, depending on the kind of color I do or highlight I do. As long as I have one of those, like a balancing kind of, not balancing, I don't know if you would call it balancing, but one of those conditioners to kind of kill those brassy looks, and balance my tones out a little. So that's just something I always have on hand. Again, I don't use that every day, but I just saw it and I'm like, let me just throw it in, because again, always have to have it. Going to the soap, I'm not going to use the one that I have used in my shower. I just happen to have another box. I always use this soap on my body. This is Dove Go Fresh. It's funny because my husband has his Irish Spring that he likes. You know, he's like, that, I like that better. I don't like it. I used to use it. I love the smell of it and everything, but I did find that my skin didn't feel soft and dry. And when I use this, it really, really does feel like I'm moisturizing as I'm cleaning. And I'm not kidding you. This is the only soap I will use in the shower. I'll change because they have different types, but it's always the Dove soap. It's just what I use. So a must have. And I would, I have this here, but I also have the Dove whipped body cream, but I do change off a few different ones. And I'm going to tell you something, the only reason I did have two favorites and I can't seem to find them anymore. And that's the Aveeno body yogurt. I can't find it. Even if I go on Amazon, the price is ridiculous. And I'm like, I'm not paying that for it because I know that's not what it costs. I used to always get it at Bed Bath Beyond. I don't see it there anymore. I'm very sad. Even on Aveeno website, can't find it. I can't find it to buy and purchase. So I'm very sad about that because that was the best for me. That, if I could easily get that, I would have that every single day. That would be a must have. But what am I going to do? There was another one, Sea Booth, I think it was. It was like a body butter. Can't find that anymore either. It used to be at Rite Aid. It's not there anymore. And it's also, I think, a crazy price on Amazon. Amazon, I love Amazon. I order there literally every day, but some things you have to be wary about what you get because it's too much money. Okay, so now, if I shower first, I usually shower. If I shower first in the morning, I used to go to work, I used to do that first, and then I would actually brush my teeth and wash my face, but we already talked about that. So after the face is all dried, I go in every day. And I have to be honest with you, lately I'm like, I don't use it every day as much as I used to, literally just this past week. So I'm like, why am I using this? I'm not even leaving the house half the time. I'm not. But, and it's a mess because it's in my drawer. The Neutrogena Age Shield Face Sunscreen, and this is an SPF of 110 because you got to protect your skin. And I was using this, I usually do use this every single day on my face and my neck. I use it all the time because you gotta protect your skin. You know, I'm 50, I gotta be careful with my skin. Yeah, so young people out there, trust me. Sunscreen, use sunscreen every day. But again, I realize I haven't been leaving my house pretty much 90% of the time. So yeah, wasting it. But then I'll go in and, I'm showing you this because it's either this or the Neutrogena serum, but I like this is Hydrogenous, and this is really just this is a serum that has hyaluronic acid. So I have to admit, I picked this one up because I think they were out of my Neutrogena. I do really use my Neutrogena every day, but this is a really good one too, so I like that. So if it's not this one, it's most definitely the Neutrogena. I think it's collagen serum. It looks literally just like this. It's the same. So that I use that all the time. And I have mentioned this before, and this is I'm not changing. I don't care how great you tell me a certain face cream is, but this I will never change up. I've been using this for many, many years, and it's the only cream that I really feel has just giving me great skin. And this is the L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler Day and Night Cream. It's, you get it at your local drugstore, which I love the convenience of, and it's not crazy expensive. So I absolutely love this. Use it every single day and every single night, regardless, for many, many years. I'm not changing it. I love it. I gotta have it I do go through it fast because I think I use a lot. So I don't care. If I see I'm running low, I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get it. So yeah, I definitely, that's a must have. That might actually be the most important must have here. So So now we go through the day, and I'm not going over like must-have makeup. This is more about like just toiletries and beauty products, not including makeup. So now you obviously know I use many different hair products in my hair. I try them all, but I just always want to have my one favorite on hand, and that's the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. I've mentioned it so many times to you guys, but this is one that I just always want to have on hand. I don't use it every day though, so does it belong in this video? I don't know, but it's one of those items that I do need to have. I want to know in my head that I have it here in case something happens, and like I have plans all of a sudden last minute, and I just know that I can trust that my hair is going to look really good with this. It's just one of those products that I love. I have so many good hair products, and I don't use it every day, but I just want to show that I do have it on hand. It's like the blue and purple conditioner. Like I have to know it's there. Okay, so now it's nighttime, getting ready for bed, and one of my must-haves is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. I don't like the one that's like almost like a Vaseline. I like the oil. It's just easier. Sometimes it gets in your eyes a little, like, and at night I'm trying to like read or look at my phone, and I'm like, what's going on? And I realize I think it's from this, but that's okay. That's like a must-have every night. That's how I gotta take my makeup off. I love that product. So that's, yeah. And then like I'm coming up with another video soon on my updated revised skincare routine, but I'm just going over a couple things. Again, this video is simply about, what I have to have, that I use every day for the past year at least, we'll say. A lot of these are even longer, but I'm just going to say past year. But I do use other things on my face. I don't want to show you the eye cream because I do go back and forth on my eye cream. I do like to change my eye cream up here and there. I don't know why, I just do. I feel like it kind of stops working after a while, I feel. And then when you use something else and you feel it working, I'm like, okay, that's what I need. But this is something that I do. I've found that I've been using the last maybe even couple of years. I don't even know. But this is a Mara Beauty Retinol Serum. It has 2.5% hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. I really like this product. I've looked into it, and this was on the top of the list. So I'm kind of on like a shipment that comes every like month or 2 months, I forget, but that's a must-have. That's it. And again, I obviously do use more things, but these are just, I'm not changing up, and that's it. So yeah. Hey guys, okay, so I forgot 3 items that to me are pretty important, because these are definitely, well, actually 2 items are definitely daily, have to have every day, but I'll explain the last one. So the first one is Tresemme hairspray. I use this stuff every day for so many years. I can't even think back to how many years I've been using it. I've tried other hairsprays. Nothing is like this. This, you feel soft still. There's no feel of hairspray in your hair, but yet it locks in those curls, or if my hair is straight, if your hair is straight. And it really, if I don't use this after I style my hair to set it, then I can feel my hair just kind of falls apart. I feel it, not huge, but this definitely sets that hair, defined curls in, straight hair, whatever it is. This sets it, and it doesn't give you that sticky, hard feeling that you have hairspray. I never feel like I have hairspray in my hair, ever, ever, ever. Every single day I have to use this. The next one is a bit more intimate, but it's something that I literally can't live without every day. I use these Poise Daily Liners. Hey, listen, it is what it is. I'm 50. If I cough, laugh too hard, sometimes a little tinkle happens, and I had 3 kids. It is what it is. And even if you had a C-section, I was told that it doesn't matter. You still have the child. You still kind of, it's a little looser down there as far as your bladder goes. So these, I love these because typical panty liners kind of feel harder, and you feel that there's something there, whereas this just feels like it's part of your underwear. You do not even feel like you have these on. It's so soft, and it's so protecting. Like, it holds a lot more than a panty liner. If you did have an accident, if you got your period unexpectedly, you could feel safe that you have this on. Every day I use these, every single day, and I can't live without them. They protect your panty, so it's really worth it, and they're comfortable. So, and then the last one is not something obviously that I use every day, but I have to have these in the house for when my period does come, because like I panic if I know it's coming up, and I'm like making sure I have them in the house. And that's my Always pads. I've been using Always forever. These are the only pads that I use. I don't wear tampons. I know I'm weird. It is what it is. This is what I wear, and I always get the green ones. I don't even know what the green ones are. Long Super. Oh my god. So yeah, I definitely have to use those for my period. I won't try anything else. That's what I'm using. That's it. So, okay, back to the video. So, yeah, this is a little short video. Sorry it's so short, but I thought, you know, I was in the shower one day and I'm like, oh, let me see, let me do a video on this, because like I can't live without a lot of these items, and these are my daily must-haves. But yeah, I guess that's it, and I have to get going, guys, because I'm going out, and as usual I'm running late. So yeah, but I will catch you in the next video. And again, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, that's it. So guys, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.